Singapore is well known for two things. Do you know what those are? First is our iconic Merlion in Sentosa, and second is none other than our Singapore River. Today, you are in for a treat. Welcome to Singapore River's centerpiece, where you can be surrounded with an amazing river view that is going to be the envy of your neighbors. Riviere. Being well connected to not just one, but three forms of transport. You can have the luxury of travelling using MRT, namely Great World and Havelock Station, River Taxi from Kim Seng all the way to Raffles Place and Clifford Pier, and lastly, getting to Orchard and MBS are all less than 10 minutes drive away. Revel in the rhythm of life at Riviere, where its luscious grounds are perfect for a relaxing jog along the river. Catch up with friends over brunch at one of the many trendy cafes nearby. Go for a romantic riverfront dinner or plan a fun night out with drinks and music. Best of all, home is just minutes stroll away. With River Valley Primary School within 1 kilometre, uncountable eateries and Great World City Shopping Mall almost at your doorstep, families can now feel confident about longer-term stay for the entire family's needs. Bespoke services for your everyday needs range from concierge to housekeeping and to laundry. True convenience is just a phone call away. Isn't that amazing? With smart home features and extremely luxurious finishings, Riviere is designed to make the living experience here modern and sophisticated. All layouts are practical and sleek, while ample storage solutions ensure that you can accommodate all your prized possessions. There is also a space for study and a Poggenpaw open kitchen, where you can create exciting culinary delights. We are excited to hear from you. Feel free to leave a comment below if you'd like more information about this development. I'm Kelly from Live a Home SG. Live a Home, we take your home as our own. Bye!